Studios.
LTASC. We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's get going. Some sounds can be short, like Janisco's pooping sound effect. Some sounds could be medium, like Roxana Lovely's peeing sound effect. And some sound effects can be long, like Aria's 2-minute farting sound effect. Let's talk about sound effects.
Season 5 Episode 19, the farting sound effect from cats_gotcha, and the character is IRL Noella.
Hello guys, IRL Noella here, and this is the second to last episode of Season 5, because we have one more episode remaining until Season 6 begins. Alright, in this episode, I'm going to talk about the farting sound effect from Cat's Gacha. It was heard in a video called Gacha Fart. It's uploaded 2 years ago on 2023, July 25th. The duration of the sound effect from this video is 41 to 58. See, that's the duration. And speaking of the duration, the total seconds are 17. And besides, in the next episode, I'm going to add Untold Loneliness Oswald again and the Robosoft One Girls in the final episode of Season 5. The lofi music will be removed at the beginning and end. And speaking of lofi music, I'm going to remove it because the parts are going to be cut out. There. Now that I remove the lofi music, I'm going to preview it. I told you that this sound effect was going to sound like. Also, I'm linking this right here. And this sound effect is also used for my characters and OCs when they poop in the toilet, including Untold Loneliness Oswald. And it also sounded like Henyua's alternative farting sound effect, which I'm going to talk about it later. And if you want to use this sound effect for your videos, please give credit to Cat's Gacha before using his sound effect. The sound effect starts at 41 and ends at 58. Make sure you remove the lofi music at the beginning and end, okay? And I will see you later in a few more episodes, especially in Season 6.